My name is Jannie Raad. I'm the headmaster of Hennopspark Primary School in Centurion. Hennopspark Primary School was established in 1981. Just over 300 children and 20 staff. Today we are at 1900 with 200 staff. We are very specific that we only use the best products. That's why we chose Epson. They are reliable, we've had excellent service, it's affordable and it's sustainable. Epson provides us with eco-friendly printers. They are heat-free. The ink lasts a long time. There's very little wastage. It's important to us at the school. It's important for the environment. We only use Epson printers because we know that eco-friendliness is important to them also. Color is extremely important for intellectual development, for cognitive development, especially for younger children. It would be easy to provide everyone with a tablet, but we believe that the color that we get from the Epson printers on paper stimulates them cognitively, it stimulates them intellectually. It's important that a classroom, especially of little children, smaller children, must be vibrant, it must be lively, it must be colorful. So if you can put colorful things in front of them and against the walls, it creates an environment where learning takes place.
Before working with Epson, the challenges Hennopspark faced while working with thousands of students and large daily print volumes was needing technology that kept up without breaking the bank. Prior to implementing Epson print fleet, the school faced constant printer breakdowns, high maintenance costs and inefficient energy use. We recommended Epson because their inkjet technology is proven to be reliable and energy efficient, offering lower total cost of ownership, and it's an all-in-one solution that is fast, reliable and built to handle the daily demands of busy classrooms. Since implementing Epson printers, the school has experienced fewer technical issues and substantial energy savings. With Epson remote services, MJL Communications can proactively monitor the Epson fleet in real time, and with the device alerts being reported directly to us, we can respond to a service call or ink low alerts even before the school is aware of the service alert on hand. This promotes uptime and productivity.